I have a surprise, a little toy that I want to add to the family of toys. Just pulled up. You already know. Gonna take out the scooter at my mom's shed and take it to my shed. So let's.
Exhaust last night, I almost did it.
You almost put your exhaust on. Hey, you almost put exhaust on the scooter. I gotta show you that scooter build though. Before, yeah, I gotta show you that scooter build before it progresses and it's already fully done. So I gotta show you it before I leave from here. It's under all this, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys in about 15 minutes. Well, about 5 minutes later, it wasn't too bad. Ow, I fucking hit my hand. Sheesh. 80 cc, I think that's what that 80 means, but yes, okay, 80 cc. God, I haven't seen this baby in like 3 years. I rode it once. Me and him bought some, and he rode it and continued riding it, but I only rode mine once, and then
I popped the tire.
and then it sat. But then since he's got a scooter, my uncle's got a scooter, and I'm like, you know what, until I buy my scooter, we gotta work on this baby. Look at that tire. Damn. Boy. Not to be funny, guys, but I fit absolutely beautifully on this tiny ass mini bike. This is my size. I miss this bitch. You thought it was an 80 cc? Wait until I bore this baby out to 200. I'll be keeping up with cars at 60, 70. Woo! Alright, we haven't started this bitch in God knows how many, I don't even know how many years, but let's see.
Throttle stuck.
Woo. Few little things we gotta work on. Let's get it.
Go.
Since I don't wanna, you know, put some music. Bam! Full walk around. I got this before I even started doing YouTube. Alright, one problem is, let's see if we can even get it past this little break. And then next problem is to see if it even fills.
I found the hole.
I will be ordering a tire tonight. Oh, that does kind of look like it could be a hole right there. Alright, let's see if it does anything. You can't probably go through here in this hole. Oh, let's see. Almost. Shush. No.
No.
He took off this to do it like this. Let's hope this. Oh. I think the nozzle's going inside. Oh. Sheesh. Sheesh. When you're ghetto as shit and use this shit is just a float it off. Wait, did it have air in it?
It's holding it.
It's holding some type of air. Maybe I could put some of that green shit that people be putting inside the tires just to, in the meantime, until a couple days for my new tire to come. As you guys remember when we pulled it out, this baby is all jammed and nothing's happening. Do you want to know why? My brother discovered, I don't even remember where it was. Oh, there it goes. I lost it. You see right there? That, it blew through the metal. It's supposed to be bent and go up. That literally cut the metal. And it's stuck right here on this little part. So we have to pretty much take this apart and probably ditch the metal and just leave it like that just to hang up, because we can't put that metal back on. Loosen this bolt just so we can get a little bit more slack on this whole little thing. But let me get you up close. Can you guys see that? I know it's a little blurry, but I need to get a better camera. This GoPro, what is this, 8? It's like an 8. Oh yeah, 8 black. I don't need to get a better. Why, I do get a better actually camcorder. But once I fix that, I should get better throttle response. Get this baby ready, start it up. Fix this tire in the meantime just so I can cruise. Hopefully cruise today a little bit. Pulled up to the scooter shop. As you can see how all the scooters, we're gonna try to get a throttle. So I got a throttle cable now here to get some fix-a-flat until I get a new tire. Yeah, this should do. This should do. Now it's time to go home and get this. As you guys might see, hopefully it's not too dark, but I got her in the back. I'm taking her from my mom's to my house so I can work on her there. I got the throttle cable. I got some, you know, that fix-a-flat shit. So she should be perfect by today. You guys ready to hear her start? At least I hope she does. Put her on the porch. Got the cable over there. Just put some gas up in her. And just gonna put the throttle cable back on, put the grip back on, and hope that she throttles and we can get her on. You guys remember before, whenever he did the throttle and stuff, nothing happened. Look at the throttle response now. Sheesh. Like nothing. Look how, see, instant. Now we just gotta put the grip on, do what we gotta do, make sure it's adjusted. Man, this guy's a whiz with it. All right, let's see. After a couple years, let's see if we can even get this baby on.
Give me a second, I don't remember what it is.
Just sit for 4 hours. Sheesh. That carburetor is dirty, dirty, dirty. She wants to start, but she's just dirty. Once she's on fully, it stays on, I'll get back on. She stays on for a second or two, so we got to take out the carburetor and clean it completely from the inside so it can finally stay on and not, you know. But over time, it's definitely healthy still. We can hear that. My brother cleaned the carburetor. Right now it's been idling for about 10 seconds or more. I filled the tire with the green shit, so that stopped the leak. Now I just have to, I guess, see how long it stays on and hope for the best. He got it moving a little bit. Oh shit, you gotta move it something.
Yeah, right.
Up, shutting off. Bringing it back to work on. This nigga. That shit's going faster and faster. Finishing up over there with the racing clutch. His bike has been perfect, so I'm just gonna because it's gonna be nighttime in about less than an hour, so and some zip ties. I'm gonna put it in the front, so yeah, I'll show you after I install it. So this is, whoa, my sandal got stuck, almost fell. Anyways, end result. Sheesh. My ghetto headlight. It should work good enough. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm gonna show you how bright this baby is. Sheesh. That's pretty damn bright. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty bright. I'm gonna kick my kickstand up. I mean, overall, it's too dark here, but like, I can see everything pretty good, you know, overall. So at the end of the day, I still can see everything ahead of me. This camera just won't pick up how dark this is, but shit, I'm going around all my dark yard and it's doing pretty good.